Note said, dice eggs with a cooling rack. Use a cooling rack to dice eggs. You can push a cooling rack through a hard-boiled egg to smoothly dice it. This kitchen hack works on avocados too. Organize snacks with cupcake liners. Have picky eaters? Prevent goldfish from touching peeled fruit by using cupcake liners to organize a lunchbox into separate sections. Jazz things up with fun colors and patterns on special days. Il teacher Dinshon Kiyiti cube butter to soften it faster. Don't you hate it when you forget to take butter out of the fridge before baking? If you forget to bring that butter up to room temp in advance, it's okay. You can soften butter quickly. The easiest way is to cut butter into cubes and let it sit on the counter for about 20 minutes. The smaller pieces will soften up faster than a whole stick. Extend the life of herbs with water. Nothing is worse than buying fresh herbs and having them wilt the next day. Keep herbs like parsley and cilantro bright with the simple storage tip. Trim the stems and place them in a small glass of water. Then place a plastic bag, like the one you got at the grocer, over top and secure by tying the plastic in a knot or wrapping it with kitchen twine. Store in the fridge or on the counter for up to 2 weeks. Find more tips for storing fresh herbs. Mise en place with sheet pans. They're not just for cooking dinner. Use your trusty baking sheet to stay organized while you meal prep. Keeping ingredients in one place helps you stay efficient and expedites cleanup too. Psst. Food prep doesn't have to be a drag, especially when you break out the tips professional chefs learned in culinary school. It's for ways. Craft DIY mason jar shakers. Your bulk spices and baking supplies are ready for an adorable upgrade. Save the lids from Parmesan shakers and gather your small mason jars. Screw the lid on and you'll have a handy way to sprinkle and measure. Cut steak fries with an apple slicer. Craving those scratch-made potato wedges from your favorite restaurant? There's a kitchen hack waiting in your utensil drawer. Cut one end of the potato for stability, then push an apple slicer through. Add your fave seasonings or follow our recipe for Parmesan potato wedges. Bonus, you can try it with sweet potatoes too. And bad. Freeze a soup starter in resealable bags. Want garden, fresh flavor year-round? Freeze vegetables in resealable bags during peak season. Just remember to blanch vegetables before freezing. You can make a classic soup starter with carrots, onions, and other farmers' market finds. Vegetables will last 8 to 12 months in the freezer, so you can enjoy the tastes of summer when gloomy, cold weather hits. It årstiden blir sharp too. Proof bread in the oven. Sometimes the kitchen is just too cold to get a good proof on homemade bread. If that's the case, pop the dough in the oven, don't turn it on. Instead, place a pan of simmering water below your dough and shut the door. The warmth and humidity from the hot water will help you get the lift you need. Freeze sauce cubes in egg cartons. Become an upcycling master. Egg cartons are ideal for freezing small portions of homemade sauce, especially when you need to use your ice trays for, well, ice, or one of these other genius uses. Cover and freeze leftover pesto and transfer cubes to a resealable freezer bag. To use, thaw cubes in your fridge for 2 hours. Use a damp dish towel to keep bowls steady. Need an extra hand? Professional chefs will tell you that a damp dish towel under your mixing bowl will keep it from slipping and sliding on your counter as you mix. This step works well with a cutting board too. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.